So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix this problem that you have on Among Us. You just need to watch and follow this video till the end. So first, go open your settings of your mobile phone. Here you will see this list. Scroll it down, click on Apps option. Inside Apps option, search for Among Us and click on it when you find it. Here right now guys, scroll this list down. Click Storage, click Clear Cache and back. Click on Force Stop Now and click OK. Go to Play Store then or App Store if you use iPhone and search for Among Us. Click on it. If you found the update is available, you should update the game. Then you have to restart your device and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.